Alright y'all, welcome back to another video. We are back at the train boneyard. Looking at some more units. You might remember this place from a previous video where I did a PM, and basically half of these units don't work. And they called us saying that there's 2 units in telepack number 3, which is all the way in that back corner, and then unit number 3, which is one of these, is not working. So we're gonna go ahead and take a look at them and see what's going on. But it says HP number 3, which we are going to confirm to make sure that it is this one. Let's see. Model number WS60OC. So we're gonna pop this door open. We've got brand new belt that's running. So hope it's this one. This one says HP3, so we're gonna go ahead and let's see, 238-143. I don't know. We're gonna go ahead and call BMI and see what's going on with this thing. Grab our meter here. Volts. Right there. And we're gonna check between, what the hell? Check on the load side. 28 volts. 28 volts. .480. Condenser fan motor that's not working properly. We're gonna go ahead and swap it out. We came out here a couple weeks ago. We found that the condenser fan motor was grounded and we needed to replace it. So let's get to it. So first we're gonna make sure we don't have any voltage coming in. We did turn off the disconnect. 0 volts. 0 volts. Pushing the contactor just in case. 0 volts. Now we're gonna go ahead and unplug it. We've got, these are our wires right here. We're gonna go ahead and unplug it from the capacitor. Right here, boom. And then we got one more bottom of the contactor, right there. Go ahead and pull it off. Oop. Come on, baby. There we go. Slide these wires through right there, and we should be good to take it off of the unit.
It was at this moment he knew. He fucked up.
As y'all saw that water that just come out of there? That's why we got problems. That's why we have problems. This motor looks brand new too. It doesn't look like it's that old. But we gotta take this shaft out. Seems we're gonna need to remove those set screws, so we might need some Allen keys. All right. So we're gonna hit him. this on the floor like that. You're gonna go ahead and give your shaft a little bit of sanding. Get that rust off of there. Okay. Now we can go ahead and take these wires off. The wire came out. Okay. Grab this motor. Way to do this: put your fan motor like that on the old box. Then you can go ahead and take off your screws. Right there. Boom. And it should come off. And as you can see, they used the wrong motor. Look at that. Just wide open. All that water caused that to go in there. And see how the new one's sealed? That's the issue. So whoever did this is a complete and utter hack. Make sure these plugs at the bottom side are out and the plug is on the top side, so water cannot go in there.
3 hours later.
All right. All right, y'all, so we got the motor in, the new one, got it secured, strapped, liquid tight, got the nuts nice and secured. I put the blade where it should go on the old one. We're gonna go ahead and spin it, make sure it doesn't hit anything. We're gonna run these wires right through here. Boom, right there. We're gonna spin this fan blade, make sure it doesn't hit anything, which it's good. Now we just gotta plug these in. So on the motor, there's a diagram, black and purple. So you got black is your line, purple is your other line, and then it jumpers with brown to the capacitor. So black goes on the contactor to get power. Put it right there. Boom. And then purple and brown. So brown goes on the common side of the capacitor. Right. Other purple goes to my other side of my capacitor. Black coming in from the motor, purple coming from the motor, and then brown for a capacitor. All right, we're gonna go ahead and start it up, make sure it don't blow up. Gonna go ahead and